The dish I'm going to make has a few components, so prepping in advance is really helpful. First, I've peeled, diced, and boiled for 20 minutes one celery root. As you can see, it's made about 1.5 to 2 cups of celery root. I have also sliced into very, very thin matchsticks 1 king oyster mushroom, minced 1 small clove of garlic, and some parsley. First things first, we gotta prep our steak. Now I want you guys to get a good look at this piece of meat. This is a very good steak. Notice that it has a very nice, clean pink color to it, and look at all the marbling of fat in there. Don't be afraid of fat. Fat equals flavor. That's why bacon is so delicious. So to season this, we're going to keep it very simple, since we're going to add other components later. I'm just going to use a little sea salt, and some white pepper, since black pepper has a tendency to burn. And do both sides. I also like to let my steak sit out at room temperature for around a half hour, just so that it's not stone cold when I put it into the pan. My cast iron skillet is on medium-high heat with some oil in it. Faint wisps of smoke are coming out, so it's time to put the steak in. The same rules apply as did for our pork chop. We want 4 minutes on high heat on one side. Don't touch it. Then we'll flip it. I have one of the burners on super low, and I have this plate. I hate cold food that's supposed to be hot. So after the 4 minutes are up on the second side, I'm going to transfer the steak to this warm plate to sit for a few minutes while we prepare the rest of the components of this meal. The rest of this dish comes together really quickly, so think fast. About 3 ounces of cream cheese with my pre-cooked celery root. I'm going to reheat this in the microwave. I also added that little clove of minced garlic. Going to add some salt and white pepper to this, and that fresh minced parsley, and just mash it. I've just turned off the mushrooms, by the way. Incidentally, the mushrooms sauteed like that make a really nice pasta substitute, if you're one of those low-carb people. Finishing touch, we're going to garnish with a little fresh kale. And behold its lovely goodness. This is a very exciting dish with many dimensions of flavor. So I'm going to take it to the two-dimensional world and see how it fares.
レイちゃんのバカ、なんでこんなとこ予約しちゃったのよ。だってここものすごく安いの。ずるー。